Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. Today's message is going to give you a little bit of flavor for what it's like being a full-time trader. And you may have visions of monitors all over your house and the frenzied approach to trading where you're constantly having to be watching the market and feel frantic, and you may have the image in your head like Wall Street where they're yelling at each other and calling out different plays. It's actually nothing like that, at least when you sell options for a living. That's what I do. Now, I have done the frenzied trading before, but for my lifestyle, it's really not what I'm interested in. I don't like that feeling of my heart racing as I'm waiting to see if my play's in profit or not. I prefer a calmer life at this stage in life. And so if you sell options, it gives you the ability to relax a little when you're trading. And what I mean is when you sell options, you have a lot of options if the trade starts working against you. So let's take a put, for example. A put is when you put the money aside to purchase a stock at a price you're comfortable with. Well, let's say you wanted to get in on this Bitcoin run. So you were looking at MSTR. And if you had wanted to go purchase MSTR today, you might feel a bit like you're chasing because it was running up and running up. And so if you wanted to purchase 100 shares, because there's great premiums, and if you're selling covered calls on them, you can do really good with covered calls. If you were my dog's having fun in the back. She's enjoying the beautiful day that we're having here. But if you wanted to purchase 100 shares, then a day like today, you would need $14,000 because it was coming in at about 140. But if you sell options, you can just make money on trying to get it lower. So one of the plays I made today was, I was probably about a little bit after lunch, and I noticed that the price action was riding high on MSTR. Now, I have several shares of MSTR because I've been running the wheel strategy on it because the premiums are so good. But I just went ahead with a few hours left in the market, and I said, you know what? I see Bitcoin's running. I see we'll more than likely have a good weekend because Bitcoin likes to run over the weekend. So I said, if I can pick up another couple hundred shares at $140, I'd be happy. So I sold a put. Now I had the cash in my account in case I was put the shares, but with a few hours left in the market, it wasn't a huge risk because even if I would put the shares at 140 and Bitcoin wants to run over the weekend, I could sell them more than likely higher on Monday or one day next week. So I wasn't nervous about it. I went in boldly. Well, the fact that I did that, it ended the day at like 141, something like that. So I was kind of close. I didn't get the shares. It was okay because I have shares, but I was able to keep all the premium because I was willing to put up my money to buy the shares. And so in a situation when you sell puts, you can win in a variety of scenarios. So if you have your strike price, you can win if the price goes up. You can win if the price stays stagnant. You can win if the price comes down a little. If you're put the shares, then you can run the wheel strategy and turn around and start selling covered calls on the shares. So there's so many options, and there's no reason to panic because you can roll your trades. In fact, I had a free workshop last weekend where I taught a lot of people how to roll a trade, and very excited that they learned so much, and now a lot of them were able to save some trades this week. And tomorrow I am actually hosting a crypto bootcamp in the morning. And I am going to teach everyone that's a part of the bootcamp, I'm going to teach them how to trade on Coinbase and avoid the high fees. I'm also going to teach them how to leverage the laws surrounding cryptocurrency to save on taxes. And so if either of those interest you and you want to be a part of it, feel free to click the link below. It's not a huge fee, but you'll get a flavor for how I like to teach and how I like to run one of my boot camps. And I promise you, you'll learn some valuable information, especially now that we are right there at the beginnings of the bull run for crypto. I'll also go over my best plays and where I think that I'd want to put my money if you're just now starting to get into crypto. But the main thing I wanted to share with you is the flexibility and the quiet lifestyle I enjoy now as a result of deciding to walk away from corporate America and trade for a living. And now today, I'm just going to tell you what I did today. I mean, because this is probably like a lot of you. My daughter was trying to get off to school quick this morning, so she didn't have a chance to eat a good breakfast. For those of you that watched my video on teaching my teen how to trade, it was that girl, that daughter. And she called me and said, "Mom, can you please bring me some breakfast?" I didn't have a chance to eat. Well, normally, when I used to work for corporate America, had I got that frantic call, I would have just felt awful because I wouldn't have been able to help her. More than likely, I'd have a client in front of me, or I'd have a meeting, or I'd have to ask my boss if I could leave. And I just said, "Sure, no problem." And I, drove to her school. I was a little early, so I sat in my car with my phone and actually literally made a couple of $1,000s this morning while I was waiting to bring food into her. And I was like, this is just so nice. And then this afternoon, I went to a pep rally and got to see her perform. And I got to stay after and visit with all of her friends and take pictures, which normally I would have been rushing out to try to get back for a meeting. Sorry, the school bus is there, and all the kids start getting off of the school bus and the dogs go crazy. But tonight, going to a football game, and I don't have to worry about finding a good seat because I can go early. And I can enjoy all the relaxation of seeing the band come out and just enjoy the evening. And so it's just such a different lifestyle. And I happened to run into somebody today that I used to work with in corporate America and had a very good conversation with him. And he's like, "My gosh, you just look so relaxed." And I said, "I am. This is my life now." And so I wanted to encourage all of those of you that may be interested in a lifestyle like this. You really can do this. I spend most of my time when I'm on videos trying to teach you how to do this for yourself. Because for so many years, I was kept out because of being intimidated by it. Mainly because of the big words that everyone chooses to use when they are trying to explain these concepts to you. So my entire goal has been to make this simplistic and easy to understand. And I think you're starting to get the hang of it. I'm seeing all of your comments, and some of you are making money for the first time selling options. And a lot of you made good money this week. I've heard from several of you that watched the SPY video, and you have made really good money. Someone that had shared with me, they sent me an email, and they had made over $8,000 this week on that one play. So that was just so exciting to hear, the fact that some of you are making real money from just some of the things you're learning from my videos. So I will keep producing content for you, but if you want access to me directly tomorrow morning, feel free to look into joining my crypto bootcamp. We'll be together for a few hours, but you'll walk away with a lot of knowledge. I've run one of these before, and they said that it was one of the most valuable couple of hours that they spent. So I hope you can join me, and I look forward to talking to you throughout all of next week. I have several plays that I'm putting together, so I cannot wait to share all of those with you. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and I will maybe see some of you tomorrow.